Hello everyone, welcome to our IICS Tutorial Series. Today we are going to see on that what is difference between the source and the source qualifier. So when we see the source, it is used to take the just object. Okay, so just for that I am just creating the mapping. See here, the mapping it is the dummy mapping it is created. Okay, now move on to the source. So move on to the source tab. Now with help of the source tab, we can get the connection, okay, as well as we can check this our source type, whether it may be that single object or multiple object, like that we can take it. Okay, third one it is we can take the object from our Oracle source. Which connections you are giving, that connections we can take the sources. Okay, so what is the source tab means? Source tab, it is nothing but we can give the connection as well as we can check that what is the source type based on our requirement, and also that we can take the object from that. This is source tab qualities. Okay, and what is a source qualifier means? In our IICS, okay, the source itself, the source qualifier it is presented. See here in the query options, we have two property it is presented, that is one is filter and another one is sort. We know that what is a filter means. Filter it is nothing but we are giving the condition, and sort means whether you want to make that your column in that ascending order or descending order. Okay, and that advanced options, in advanced options, see when we see the tracing it is nothing but the detailed level of error messages and status of your mapping or task. Okay, status is nothing but when we are running the mapping, the status it will be in the form of that succeed or rejected or warning. Everything it will be written in the session log. And we already see that what is a pre-SQL and post-SQL and SQL override, everything we already discussed in that previous session, part 6 only we have discussed. Okay, first we'll move on to that next thing, that is go to the field tabs. Okay, the main part of the source qualifier it is just converting the whatever the source data type it is presented, it just converting into the native data type, that is informatica native data type it is converting. Okay, that is we are getting our source in Oracle or SQL Server or DB2. It is presented with their data type, it is just converting into that informatica native data type it will convert. Okay, this is the main difference between the source and the source qualifier. One more time I just repeat it, please listen that one. Okay, with help of source, we can give the connection as well as we can take the source type and we can get the source object. Okay, and these and all for the source tab. When we see that source qualifier, so in IICS, in source itself we have the source qualifier transformation it is presented. So see here the it is presented with the filter and the sort. If it is in the database means we can see these option and all. If it is the flat files, we can't able to see these and option and all. Okay, and also in advanced, pre-SQL, post-SQL, SQL override and tracing level, these and all it is called properties. It is presented in the source qualifier. And main thing of the source qualifier it is changing the source data type into informatica native data types. Okay, so these and all difference between the source tab and source qualifier tab. We will see that upcoming sessions, next part of the tutorial series. Thank you.